Most channels on YouTube actually die in the first 90 days, and the reason is almost always the same. They either make a few critical mistakes and never recover, or they catch them in time and start to grow. The point here is to find out what's wrong and fix them immediately before it is too late. So today we are going to talk about the 7 common mistakes many beginner channels are making for helping you to find them out before it is too late. Mistake number 1. Paying for views or subscribers. It looks like a shortcut, but actually it is a trap. Those subscribers people buy are usually bots or random accounts that don't really care about your content. What YouTube cares is not your subscriber count. What it really cares is whether people watch your videos or not. So if you buy like 500 subscribers but your videos are getting 5 to 10 views, then YouTube will unfortunately list your content as a bad content and it stops promoting your videos. So guys, please don't spend your money on things like that and don't try to use these shortcuts because they are not really helpful. Mistake number 2. Deleting videos. So when a video you post doesn't perform well, you may want to think about deleting it. But actually that is a big mistake. The algorithm tries to figure out who is interested in your content and who isn't. But when you delete that video because it is not performing well, then the data you are giving to the algorithm will be lost. And that hurts the learning process of the algorithm, what your channel is about and who should watch your content, which ends up slowing your growth process. So instead of deleting videos, keep them. And if you still want to hide your bad performing videos, you can unlist them. So they won't be visible on your channel, but you are actually keeping the data and it will be safe. Mistake number 3. Trying to be perfect. When your channel is small, every video you publish will be a test. Actually, it will be a lot better if you can post lots of videos instead of high quality but fewer videos. Because when you post more videos, you are giving more data to the algorithm. You will get more feedback how your videos are doing, so you can get the feedback faster and also you can start improving faster. As a beginner, you are in the learning phase. The first couple of videos you will publish won't be that good, and that's normal. Do what you can, but don't try to make them perfect. Instead of that, try to post more videos, get the feedback faster so you can improve faster. And also over time, with more practice, your videos will start to get better. Mistake number 4, being inconsistent. Every social media algorithm, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, they all reward consistency. Posting videos consistently means your channel is reliable, so the algorithm can start trusting you and promote your content to more people. Also, the audience will also start to trust you more because they will see you more and they won't forget you. But if you are inconsistent and disappear for long time amounts, then people will start forgetting you quickly. You don't need to upload daily, but you need to find a schedule that works for you. And the biggest reason why so many creators are inconsistent is because the video creation process takes too much time. That's why you need to start using AI so you can speed things up and be more consistent. I will also start to make soon more videos about AI for YouTubers. So if that's interesting for you, make sure to subscribe. Mistake number 5, not putting your audience first. Actually, most creators make the videos that they want to make. That might work if you are doing YouTube just for a hobby. But if you want to start a business with your YouTube channel, want to grow and start making money as soon as possible, then that won't be that helpful. You need to find ideas that people are actually interested in. YouTube is also a search engine. People are searching for things here. And the algorithm is actually a recommendation system. So if you can find and cover topics that people are actually searching for, looking for, or they are really interested in, that will be very helpful to start growing your channel. If you need more information about this topic, I have another video talking about how to find these trendy topics on YouTube. You can find the link in the description. Mistake number 6, ignoring your titles and thumbnail. Most people spend a lot of time in the content itself, in the editing itself, but they don't really think that much about the title and the thumbnail. They do it quickly and then upload the video. That's a very common beginner mistake. Actually, you need to be spending more time on your titles and thumbnails because this is what the first thing people see. If you can write better titles and make thumbnails that creates more interest, more people will start clicking on your video, and that is a great sign for the algorithm. If people are showing more interest to your content, then the algorithm will promote it to more people. And mistake number 7, never experimenting. Think like every video is an experiment. But if you change nothing, then nothing will improve. On every video, try to make a little change. Maybe you can make a different thumbnail, maybe you can write a slightly different title, a new hook format maybe, or a different editing style. Every time you change something, you will have the opportunity to understand what is working. Just don't change too many things at once. Try to change one variable at a time. Otherwise, you won't understand what is really working. And a bonus tip, having a niche. If your channel is about everything, it is about nothing. Your audience doesn't know what to expect, and the algorithm won't be able to figure out what your channel is about. It is very hard today to grow channels without a niche. Think like a channel without a niche is like a channel without a direction. You don't need to fix everything at once. Start somewhere, and on every upload you will continue. And if you need more information about having a niche on YouTube, then make sure to check out my next video.